got an omelet. I got cucumber, I got tomato, and I got honey ham. I got sharp cheddar, and I got 3 eggs. We're finna see what that mother talking about. Thank God first. Thank you, Lord. Tomato got the juices. The egg is done on the outside. On the inside, it's like low key, a little runny. I never made an omelet like this. I usually go egg and cheese, and that's it. But this right here is a good idea right here. Might have to make me a second one. Can't pick it up all together because the toppings will fall out.